Alright, YouTubers, it's yet another day here in Ghana, and I've taken this necessary step to show you some few tips and tricks in Inilabs school management system, because I've been having informations from people here and there that how can I do this, how can I do that, and mostly because of my timing, I find it very difficult to do that, to help you in that. So I decided I'll work on some few tips and tricks that might help you to be able to carry on with that. And who knows, maybe these few tips and tricks might help you, and then I hope one day you might even get a job in Inilabs school management system to work as one of their developers. But let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. Now, when you look at my version here, I have Inilabs school management system version 6, and meanwhile their latest release is version 4. So how did I come by version 6? That is the tips and tricks that I'm going to show you. The version I'm using right now is Inilabs school management system 4.3. As you can see it on my installation folder, I have Inilabs 4.3, which is 4.3. So but I've just decided to change the version to version 6.0. So these are the few tips and tricks that I'll be showing you how to go about this, and then how to show the multiple uploads form in Inilabs school management system, which is hidden, and then also how to show the add menu form, which is also hidden, and then some few things, most of these labels you see here, how they come by them, where they have been written, and how you can do changes to suit what you want or how the labels you want them to look like. So that is what we'll be doing in this series of tutorials, which I'm going to call it Inilabs School Tips and Tricks 101. So that is going to be the title of this tutorial. So stay tuned, and then if you like my channel, subscribe, and then more tutorials will come on your way. So I hope this is going to help so many people, so you'll not ask me how do I do that in Inilabs school management system, because my time is actually running out. Sorry to announce you that there was a heavy rain here, and then my laptop, my desktop, my woofer system got blown off. So currently I'm using a machine from a friend's place to do it, and I'm currently even doing a job for someone that I'm hung up, that I can't even do anything about it. So it's just a pity, but I hope I'll get a new computer by the ending of this month. As this month has begun, hopefully I'm getting a new computer for that, and I hope I will have enough time. Anytime I close from work, come in the evening, I can do a little tutorial for you, and we will be able to complete this 101 Inilabs school tips and tricks 101 series. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you like it. And next, coming to your way, how to show the multiple upload students form, and then teachers, and so forth and so on. So in our next tutorial, I'll be looking at how to do that. Stay tuned.